and welcome to AM Update. We are here at IMTEX 2026 and I am here at Amada's stall. So let's hear from their experts, Mr. Edwin, what news they have introduced over here. So sir, could you tell me what new equipment and new technology presented over
With
here?
this IMTEX, our team was driving future innovation with digital manufacturing. Under this stream, we are showcasing our flagship machine, Ventis 301 by AJ is 9 kilowatt with high precision LBC Lotus beam control technology, which is the flagship. Plus, we are launching the bending automation, that is EGB 806020 with the auto tool changer. Wherever skill manpower is issue, these are the complete solution to customers. Complete run the 24 into 7 without any issues. Additionally, new sheet metal industry is looking for cost-effective, high precision, high-speed laser machine. So we launched Orsus 301 by AJE 8 kilowatt. Along with that, we launched SRB 1003 new bending machine to support our customers' needs.
So sir, could you tell me what kind of demand you are getting from Indian customers?
Indian industry and customers are demanding automation to reduce the skilled manpower issues. We have launched bending machine with automation, auto tool changer, and similarly we are launching punching and laser automation. And to cope the Indian market demand, we are starting manufacturing activity shortly in India.
And sir, due to tariffs, how it's affecting your business?
As a geopolitical issue, tariffs, yeah, surely affecting some of the customers where many of our customers exporting to US. But I'm sure Indian government and US government is working on that and we will come out these issues. So customers also optimistic and we are also optimistic. In near future, we will execute all orders.
And I hope so you will achieve your target, sir. And thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.